Today's question is, why is my furnace making strange noises? Furnaces do make some sounds as they run, but unusual or persistent noises often point to an underlying problem. Let's break down the most common ones and what they mean. A loud banging sound may come from expanding or contracting ductwork as the system heats up, but it can also mean there are loose parts inside the furnace. Because these issues can get worse quickly, it's best to have Aire Serv inspect the system to keep it running safely. Squealing or screeching noises usually point to a worn belt or a motor problem. These parts can fail if not repaired in time, so addressing them early helps avoid a complete system breakdown. Clicking is a sound you may hear when the furnace starts up or shuts down. That's normal. But if the clicking continues constantly, it could signal an electrical problem, which needs immediate attention. And if you hear a steady humming, it's often caused by a loose component vibrating inside the system. While it might seem minor at first, over time it can put unnecessary strain on your furnace. No matter the sound, banging, squealing, clicking, or humming, if it's persistent or loud, don't ignore it. Contact Aire Serv to get it checked before it leads to bigger, more expensive repairs. At Aire Serv, we're here 24/7 with reliable system repairs and replacements to keep your home safe and comfortable. Give us a call today, and let's make sure your furnace is running smoothly this season.